Hey friends! Today I'm going to share with you 7 gift ideas from Sephora, but I wanted to keep everything pretty budget friendly, so I gave myself a maximum of $60. Everything is $60 or under, and I have 7 different gifts in the makeup category, fragrance, and skincare. I really feel like these gifts are great values. They make great stocking stuffer ideas or just really great affordable last minute gift ideas. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I do want to thank Kohls at Sephora for sponsoring this video. If you haven't shopped at Sephora at Kohls, I think this is a great time of year to check them out because not only can you get everything on your list at Sephora, but you can hop over to the other departments in the store and knock off other things on your list. And there are some really exciting savings events and promotions happening at Sephora at Kohls this month. I'll have them all listed in the description box below, but let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to feature these in order of least expensive to the most. And again, the most is $59. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I feel like you can't go wrong with the little mini Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk set. So they have them in the fair, the original Pillow Talk, the medium, and then the deeper. I picked up the fair. It comes with a little mini lip liner and a little mini lipstick. Pillow Talk is like the #1 selling lip liner and lipstick in the world, I think. Maybe I made that up, but I did hear that somewhere. They sell one of these like every second or something, or maybe more. It's just a really great everyday rose shade. And depending on your skin tone, you can either do the fair, the original, the medium, or the deeper shade. This is the fair, and it's a little more of a cool tone pink. You get a little mini liner and a little mini lipstick. Look how cute these are. Are they not so cute? So it's a great way for you to try the Pillow Talk collection if you haven't. Also, I think it's great for this time of year because I don't know about you, but I'm always going to like holiday parties or events and I'm always carrying tiny little purses. And you have these little mini lipsticks that can fit in those tiny little clutch bags or if you travel. So I thought this was a great gift idea. It's $25. I thought it'd make a really cute stocking stuffer as well. So you can't go wrong. This is one of those shades that I feel like is universal and everyone can find their version of it that looks good on them. And number 2 is this Sephora Favorites Lash Stash to Go. And this is exclusive to Sephora at Kohls. So to find this exact combination in this set, you have to shop at Sephora at Kohls. What's really great about this, you get 4 little mini mascaras, some of their top selling mascaras for $28. But the real value is after you try all these and you decide which one is your favorite, you can go in and redeem a full size of one of these. So that's paying for itself right there. So it's basically like you're getting a mascara and then you're getting free minis as an added value. Great for travel. Again, great to just try different formulas. This is going to go to one of my daughters. I'm not sure which one yet, but my daughters, they don't wear a lot of colorful makeup, but mascara is one thing that they do wear. Mascara and skincare, they are all into. So I'm reserving this for one of my girls. Next, we have this little set from Saie Beauty. This is a blush and glow set. So it comes with a liquid blush in the shade Lady, and I have it on my cheeks right now. What I love about this formula is it's very pigmented, but it's also very easy to blend out and work with. So a little bit goes a long way. You don't need to apply a lot of this to get a lot of color. If you over apply and you get too much color, it is a very easy formula to work out and fix and correct if you apply too much is what I'm trying to say. Saie Beauty is a clean brand at Sephora. My girls love this brand, so if you have any teens or tweens on your list, this is a brand that you can feel pretty confident that whatever you get them from this brand, they will love. It also comes with a glowy super gel in the shade Warm Glow. So this is like a gel highlighter that is so beautiful. It's very universal. So it comes in a few shades. You get Warm Glow in this one. And I can say honestly that all of the shades are universal and they really work for everybody because they're so sheer. You can use this product like as a primer before your foundation if you want to have a really subtle glow from within, like underneath your foundation. You can also tap this on the skin over makeup. So I actually just tapped it on my temple and on the tip of my nose to add a little bit of highlight here. And you can do that on top of makeup. It's a gel formula, but it's not going to break up or break down the makeup that you have underneath it. And when it dries, it doesn't feel heavy or sticky or tacky at all. It's really beautiful and really easy to work with. This set is $30 and this would make a great little stocking stuffer. So whoever gets the mascara set, the other girl's getting the Saie Beauty. I think I'm going to gift mascara to Brooklyn and gift Kate the blush and the highlight. Next, for $34, we have this little mini caviar eyeshadow stick set from Mercier. You get 3 little mini eyeshadow sticks in here. I love an eyeshadow stick. I love the ease of them. I just love how quick you can apply them. I love how they last all day. And a really good formula is one that is creamy and glides onto the eyes really easily, but once it dries, it sets and it stays in place, okay? You don't want it to stay creamy and emollient on the eye. You really want it to dry down so you don't have to worry about it creasing or moving or sliding all around the eye. So these are the 3 shades that come. I did swatch them all here for you. You get limited edition Rose Meringue shade. You get the shade Strapless, which is the darker kind of burgundy shade. And then you get the shade Wild Rose. Really pretty, just very easy neutral shades. They all have a little bit of shimmer to them, but again, it's a really refined shimmer, so it's not a thick, heavy glitter at all. Very mature, skin friendly. I like to use the darker shade as an eyeliner, so I actually have it on my lower lash line today. You really don't need to go out and blend. Because of that shimmer, it gives a really soft definition to the lower lash line. So I love this. This is staying with me. I'm keeping this one for myself, but again, this would make a great stocking stuffer too. Okay, next up we have the Sephora Favorites Skincare Must-Haves. This is $55 and you get a pretty large little travel pouch here. You can use this to travel with your skincare. You can use it as a makeup bag. You get 12 little products in here. And I do want to mention that none of these are full size, okay? You either get deluxe travel size or like a sample size, but you get 12 and it's all skincare. You have everything from exfoliating products to SPF. You have some Drunk Elephant here, Summer Fridays, Sol de Janeiro, Kohls facial cream. So really everything you need to travel. Like even if you're going on a trip and this is just a gift for yourself for your travel kit, here you go. It's a really great opportunity to try all of these products before you buy them and invest in them to make sure that one, you like them, two, your skin agrees with them, and just three, it's just a product that you can easily incorporate into your routine. So I highly recommend checking out all the different options they have for Sephora Favorites because they have them for mascara, they have them for skincare, I'm pretty certain they have them for fragrance, and a lot of them you can go in and redeem a full size after you use them. I think this is just a really great set for really anyone, and because it's skincare, it's not shade specific or there's no preference in shade. So if you want to gift beauty but you're not sure if they like neutrals, warm, cool tones, or what they like, gift a skincare set. That's very safe. You cannot go wrong with gifting skincare. Next, we have this little set from Tarte. This is a great gift. I mean, just look at it. It's just very substantial. You can see you get two eyeshadow palettes, little mini eyeshadow palettes. You get a warm and a cool tone. I'm actually wearing the cool tone today and I love it. I think it's beautiful. I played with both the mattes and the shimmers from this set and they applied beautifully, very high quality. No fallout with the shimmers at all. You also get two full-size mascaras and you get two of their Maracuja Juicy Lip, which are a beautiful lip formula. If you haven't seen these before, they have a high shine and gloss. They're kind of like a lipstick, a balm, and a gloss in one product. Lots of shine. The color is buildable, so you can either get it real light and sheer or you can build it up to get more color. This retails for $59 and this is one that you can easily break up if you wanted to. When you open this, each set comes in a separate little package right here, and each one on the back has a to and from, so it's a really easy way to buy this and gift two products. It's $59, or of course you can gift the whole set if you have a true makeup lover in your life. Gift it all, otherwise break it up, you know? I mean, it's really kind of designed to be able to do that. I think this is a great set. I love the color selection that they chose too. Everything is very neutral, very wearable. And the last set is this mini perfume set from Phlur. This also is $59, so the Tarte set and this came in at a tie at $59. I love Phlur. They make really beautiful fragrances. The first one that I ever tried of theirs is Missing Persons, which comes in here. So Missing Person, Father Figure, you get Vanilla Skin, and then you get Rose Whip. Beautiful, beautiful scents. A great way to try to see which one you like. Great for travel. Great to keep one in your bag if you're someone that likes to touch up your fragrance throughout the day. But I thought this was a really great set and a really great value. My daughter Brooklyn loves this brand, so this is going to go in her stocking this year. So there you have it. 7 gift ideas from Sephora at Kohls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I'm going to have all of these products linked in the description box, so be sure to check them out. And be sure to check out all the different promotions and savings events that are happening this month at Sephora at Kohls. They will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.